Good morning, good morning. It's Monday. Thought I'd give you a little bit of motivation for this wonderful Monday. I love Mondays. They're just about my favorite day of the week. I love it because I get to get back in the groove, back on my routine. You know, kids back in school, we're getting back to working out, everything like that if I've slacked over the weekend. And my nutrition stays right on point. I just love it. It's just my favorite day. And it's all up to you on how you make it. You know, a lot of people look at Monday as, oh, I've got a case of the Mondays, or, oh, it's awful, it's Monday. You know, everything that could go wrong today. But it's all in how you perceive it, how you think about it. You know, positive things happen to positive people. So if you look at it like today's going to be awful because it's Monday, well, then guess what? It's probably going to be pretty awful. But if you look at it like today could be wonderful, then it will be. It's all in how you look at it. I'm not saying that everything great's going to happen today, but it's how you perceive the moments that happen throughout your day. So, you know, take that for what it is. It is what it is, and I hope you rock out today. Have a great Monday. Bye.